This super fast tutorial is about how to make a how-to video, and in our how-to videos we're going to try to make something, and we're going to make that making process a little bit faster by accelerating the video, and then we're going to add a little bit of music to our video to make it a little bit more exciting for people to view. So our first part here is we're going to download some stock footage. We can see on my screen here I have various stock footage things. I have Pixabay here, look, I've got some mix kit here, look, and I've got some Pexels here. These are all sites that I can download some free stock footage from, and that I just have to give credit to the people who I've got the footage from. So here, look, I have Tech House Vibes. Alright. Download that, sounds pretty groovy. And over here, Hazy After Hours. Alright, some Hazy After Hours seems like a good idea too. Cool. Some hippity hop there. Let me see, Son and His Daughter, Diving Ambition, Raising Me Higher, Life is a Dream. Or Life is a Dream, that sounds fun. Cool, we'll have some of that as well. Great. So I've got myself some music, and now the next stage is to create my video tutorial. Okay, as you can see, I have my camera roll open, and I have my downloads open, and I have my OpenShot open. The downloads here, they're going to show you what music I've downloaded here. We can see Life is a Dream, Hazy After Hours, Tech Vibes. And over here, this is the tutorial that I have made. So this is my camera roll tutorial. This is my camera roll, how to make a stylish hat look. So I've made I'm going to drag those over, how to make a stylish hat, and we're going to put these on so they make the first track and play it on. Well, this is just incredibly boring. So what I need to do is, I don't really want that audio of the paper kind of fluttering about the place. So I'm going to separate audio, single clip there, look, and I'm going to separate the audio here, and I'm just going to get rid of that audio because who wants audio of me fluttering bits of paper about? And then I'm going to go into here, and I'm going to right click onto it, and I'm going to go to time, and then fast, and then forward, and 4 times forward, and you'll see instantly that this video clip here has become a quarter of the size, because of course if you're making it 4 times faster, it's going to take a quarter of the size to get it done. And so now I've really improved the speed of my clip. Look, great. So now you can see a little bit more exciting, me making that stylish paper hat, the one that you all want, the one that everybody is buying in the shops right now. And then if I go to my downloads over here, look, you can see that I also have this music trick, Life is a Dream, After Hours, Tech House Vibes. I think we'll go for a bit of Tech House Vibes because it's a bit of a party scene, this hat, I think. And I'm going to drag it over to track number 4, look, and just sync it up with these 2 files here. So now when I play my video clip, it's also going to play the music so that people have something to do when they're listening to me watching, making this hat. Absolutely fantastic. It's the hat that everybody's going to be wearing in the new season, and I just want a little bit of a clip added to the end there of me wearing the hat. Fantastic. I mean, it's hard to believe anybody would actually buy a hat given that one can be made so easily. Like the video!